hungry. But instead of whipping up a meal, all you have to do is enter your menu choices into a computer and your dinner appears before you. So magical. It may seem like science fiction, but it isn't. Well, not completely. The future is now, my friends. Is 3D printed food in your future? And what does it have to do with an eye wash cup? Astronauts, Columbia University, and lasers. Stay tuned as we chew on all the possibilities. In the last few years, 3D printing has become mainstream. But making food this